Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is day 13 now, and we are now at $250. And because we sold those 3 tables, we're trying to get to $500 as fast as we can, but we're gonna just keep going here. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. First up on the list, we're gonna do some epoxy. So as you guys might remember, on our last video, we were working on this base for the tree cookie table, a custom order. So this is a custom base I'm kind of making here, and as you can see, it's coming along okay. What we got to do here is we got to make this notch just a little bit deeper. Just cut away this a little bit, and I think it should work. Okay, so we got this fitting a little bit better. Here, as you can see, I think we're ready to dowel this up now. We're just gonna try to put a couple dowels in here, glue it all up, and then we'll just cut off the top, make it all good at the end. Or maybe we'll put something to fill this in a little bit. As you see, we went a little too much in there. Here we go. Okay, so we got that task done. Didn't go as smoothly as I thought it was gonna go. It was a little rough, but this is the first time I've ever done this, and I definitely should have done a bit more planning. But we did get it. We did get it on there, and it's looking pretty good actually. We will just have to do some trimming at the end, but that's all right. We made this a little bit taller than we needed to, so that'll be good. And we might have to put in or do some carving and stuff in here just to get it looking maybe a little bit nicer. But I think we can make this work. If not, we can always restart. I got lots of willow branches outside, so, or stuff like this. On to the next task, which is we are going to be mounting that one, or assembling that one table, getting that done.